Good day everyone, it's Oksana and welcome to my vintage kitchen. Thank you for coming, thank you for watching. Now it's fall, it's gloomy days, everybody getting sick, and what's the best dish for those gloomy days? It's chicken soup. We're gonna make today Greek lemon chicken soup. We start by dicing all our vegetables in small cubes. Cook white onions, carrots, celery, zucchini and garlic in olive oil over medium heat for about 5 minutes. Make space for the chicken breast and sear it for 2-3 minutes each side. Add the chicken broth, herbs, salt, pepper, lower the heat, cover with a lid and cook for about 15 minutes. After, bring back to boil and add your cauliflower rice or uncooked orzo. Cover with the lid again and cook for another 15 to 20 minutes. What we need now, we need to separate egg yolk from egg white. I do it old-fashioned way. I just crack the egg with a knife. I open it slowly. I leave the egg yolk in one half. Then I drop it in another half. I do this procedure a couple times. And it's done. For me, it's much easier to use the separators, but you can use separators if you want. No harm done. Wherever it's easier for you. What we need now is 1 cup of chicken broth. We take it from our pot. We're slowly adding our egg yolks and we're mixing it one by one. Once the soup is done and chicken is cooked through, remove the chicken, shred it, and add back with lemon juice and egg yolk mixture. Add more salt and pepper if needed. Serve it with the fresh parsley and dill. Oh my god, smells so delicious. Looks amazing and creamy without cream. Guys, it's very, very good. It's so full of flavor, so lemony.